It is officially vision board time. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So it is officially August, end of August, and almost 6 months is gone for 2026. So I have a story to share here to you all. तो सबसे पहले बात, I thought कि जनवरी को I'll make a vision board और से mood board बोलते हैं ना अलग से. It is something that आपको जो achieve करना है, you just paste it in, you make it a board and आप अपना रूम पे रखते हो, स्पेशली जहाँ जहाँ पे मतलब या आपको मतलब वो व्यू क्लियर होगा, आप उसको जहाँ डेली देख सकोगे, कुछ ऐसा सिनेरियो है. और ऑब्वियसली यू वर्क फॉर इट, यू डोंट जस्ट पेस्ट इट, यू एक्चुअली वर्क फॉर इट. तो आई थॉट कि मैं जनवरी को बनाऊंगी ये विजन बोर्ड, बट दैट टाइम आई वाज इन ईटानगर और समवॉट बैक इन माई माइंड आई वाज लाइक अगर मैं ये बना लूँ तो मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड देख लेगा और मेरे पर हंसेगा, मुझे ऐसा लगता था मतलब. बट आई एक्चुअली इफ़ आई लुक बैक और अभी मैं सोचूँ तो he would never actually laughed at me. वो क्योंकि वो कभी ऐसा किया ही नहीं, वो कभी ऐसा सोचता ही नहीं. It was me who was creating a scenario. I think maybe because of my laziness or I don't know what. But yes, finally it is time. साल का पूरा एंड हो चुका है, अभी बचा है 5 months to end of this year. But still I have dreams, a lot of dreams which I am looking forward to achieve. So yes, this is what I am doing. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, but yes, few I have like 3 pages of all of things and I am currently working on it. August is the first month that I started working on myself. January to July I was procrastinating, सोच रहा था कि होगा होगा होगा, but I was not able to do it. But I don't know what happened, but August is the month that literally changed me and I can literally feel the change. So अगस्त को तो मतलब इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ, बट आई वॉज थिंकिंग इट सिंस जून कि आई हैव टू डू इट डू इट डू इट. बट हम लोग ना कहीं मतलब रह जाते हैं पीछे एंड दैट हैपन्स. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट, आउट ऑफ नो वेयर अगस्त वॉज द मंथ दैट लिटरली चेंज्ड everything. So this is end of August. Today is 21st and 22nd I think. I don't know what, but yes, I thought this is the best time to create what I was thinking of. So yes, let's start this. So I just returned from the Xerox shop. I just finished everything. So these are all the things that I got. सबसे पहले तो मैंने ये चार्ट पेपर लिया क्योंकि I didn't find any like big paper kind of thing. तो ये मोटा वाला चार्ट ले लिया. I don't know, this is my first ever, so थोड़ा confused हो रहा है. And also I have everything printed out here in 3 pages. Everything will be revealed to you guys also. And one more, since I started journaling, तो मतलब मेरे पास एक proper वाला नहीं था. So you know what I got? I got this spiral वाला file. क्या बोलूँ उसको? So I'll be journaling here. And also I bought a book. So मुझे बहुत समय से एक book चाहिए था. So this is what I got. This is how to win friends and influence people. Let me try this one. So yes, और ये मेरा ये जो notes है, इसमें मैं अपना script लिखती हूँ. This is also very like मेरा बहन का पुराना second hand, third hand वाला है. But I didn't get new this one. ये तो हो जाएगा. But these are everything that I got. सो मेरे विजन बोर्ड के लिए जो भी आइडियाज़ है मैंने सब पिंटरेस्ट से उठाया है. आई मीन लाइक पिक्चर्स, लोग आइडियाज़ तो मेरा है लेकिन पिक्चर्स तो आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम पिंटरेस्ट. एंड येस, मैंने ना अभी काटना स्टार्ट कर दिया है. सो टू बी एग्जैक्ट आई हैव लाइक 25 ऑफ दिस कटआउट्स एंड येस 25. आई थिंक दैट्स अ बिट लेस ना, मेरे पास और होना चाहिए था. बट फॉर नाउ आई हैव 25 और मैंने कुछ स्पेस खाली भी रखा है क्योंकि आई थॉट इफ़ आई गेट फ्यू मोर आइडियाज देन आई एम गोना ऐड फ्यू ऑफ my like aims to achieve within this year, तो उसको मैं ऐड कर दूंगी. So yes, this is almost ready, so I'll be pasting in a while. तो everything will be shown to you guys also by the end of this video. I'll show you guys everything जो मेरा vision board में है. Not everything, एक दो को मैं secret रख दूँगी, but yes, I'll be sharing you guys.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing.
So for now it's done, so I'm just gonna go and take bath. It's just too hot.
My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby. That I found in the music place. I just can't help but stay. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that
So guys, it is the next day and आज है Saturday. So every Saturday I have decided to have my cardio class. So इससे पहले I was not doing any cardio gym में. So this Saturday I decided, I mean like from this Saturday I'll be doing my cardio, and वो बहुत ही tough वाला cardio था, बहुत बढ़िया था. So I came back, freshened up, and also just received my PR. So we'll start the day by unboxing some PR, and yes, I also have few things to share you all. So meanwhile, let me just finish my coffee. So first PR is this one. God. So this one is from Blair. So this रक्षा बंधन 3-4 ब्रांड मिलके मतलब कुछ एक वो कर रहे हैं टाइप कुछ कैंपेन चल रहा है उन लोगों का. सो यस, सो ब्रिलेयर से आई थिंक 3 months ago I got oil shots, but I'm not sure what I'll get now. So okay, this one is rosemary shampoo. ये ना रोजमेरी शैम्पू जो ना हेयर फॉल के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. एंड अगेन आई रिसीव्ड ऑयल शॉट्स. तो ये मुझे ये सिर्फ ऑयल शॉट्स मिला था, बट दिस टाइम आई रिसीव्ड द शैम्पू ऑल्सो. सो यस, next let's open the next box. So I think I have mentioned this earlier, but that I have received the highest amount of PRs this month. So next is this is from Wellness Shop. This is soap, detan soap, and soap के साथ मिला है मुझे. Ooh, this one is nice. Gloves वाला scrubber. So yes, this is all I got. Every morning receiving PR. I mean like अगर morning को मिलते तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Yesterday while I was making my vision board, I realized my vision board is quite empty. And रात को ना I was like सोच के सो गए उसी के बारे में. And yes, I also realized 3 to 4 more things that I need to achieve. उसको भी मुझे add करना पड़ेगा. But that printout I didn't do. Maybe in like after a few days I'll be doing that. So yes, if I tell you guys, if I share you guys, मेरा जो first वाला लाइफ का फर्स्ट विजन बोर्ड भी नहीं बनाया था. मैंने एक पेपर में कुछ लिस्ट लिख के मतलब मैंने दरवाज़ा का पीछे चिपकाया था ताकि मुझे हर दिन वो दिखे. मतलब वही था मेरा फर्स्ट. तो दिस इज़ लाइक माई ऑफिशियल विजन बोर्ड. आई एम सो ग्लैड आई एम डूइंग दैट. फाइनली एवरेस्ट ईयर का एंड ही सही, बट येस आई एम डूइंग एंड आई एम not very proud of myself, but yes, I am just proud of my small achievement, my small habit that has been changing into a good way. So yes, I think you should be proud of yourself first of all. I think you should also appreciate small achievements, whatever like in your daily life. तब आप ज़्यादा खुश रहेंगे. You don't need big things to be happy. Small things also you can count. That will actually make you happier person. हमको लगा आज छुट्टी है बगे. Oh my god, I was just making videos of my PR, that whatever I received. I just got another 2 more PRs. Oh my god, this is gonna be my lucky day. Anyways, I was sitting here, but ये रूम ना थोड़ा डार्क लग रहा है, so I'm gonna head I'm gonna come back in my room. यहाँ थोड़ा lighting अच्छा है. So let's unbox this one. I have my scissors ready. Let's see what we got. So while I unbox this, I wanna share you all a story of PR. The first PR I received, जो मेरा पहला PR था, I think I received 2025 को, and that was a hair का कुछ था, powder, eyebrows, and it was from Sanfe. Sanfe is a very well known common brand जहाँ में मतलब लड़की लोग का मतलब from like I think maximum ladies का ही उसमें beauty products मिलता है, from like hair fall का shampoo, soap, and like hair removal and all of that. So that is what you get in the Sanfe. So that was my first ever brand collaboration. और वो Sanfe का तरफ से मुझे मैसेज आया था. That day I cannot forget this day. वो दिन हम इतना ज़्यादा खुशी था, मतलब सुनता था, मतलब देखता था कि ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशन होता है बोल के, बट क्योंकि कभी खुद का साथ नहीं हुआ था तो मतलब I was literally over the moon. I was super happy. Even today, even to this day, it makes me super. मतलब I become super duper happy whenever I get free products. And yes, this is not like ये every other person को नहीं होता है. तो this is something that I feel very grateful for. And yes, that was a story of my first PR that I received. Anyways, तो product को let's see the product that I got. I got from Core. Is it pronounced Core or Core? Wow, I got 3 products. This one is shampoo, this one is hair growth serum, and this is conditioner. Oh my goodness, seriously, I think this is a product of a Rene or something, I don't know. कुछ Rene की तरफ से मुझे मैसेज आया था, I don't know Rene brand का है कि किसका है. But yes, let me check the price. It is looking quite expensive. Yes, it is. Actually, this one is almost 850. Not almost 850, 650, and this is for 450. Like pocket friendly है, but yes, Core Beauty. Should I pronounce Core? I have to look for it seriously. And let's move on to the next one. So this is like a bit flat. I don't know. Most of the PR that I received is related to beauty, क्योंकि मेरा जो content है ना वो ज़्यादा beauty का ही होता है. I like to do makeup. I like to do get ready with me videos. So उसका based profile based ही होता है. तो most of my videos are that. So maximum all the beauty products that I use, from like shampoo to sabun to everything, I get in my PR. फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे मिला है PR में कुछ खाने के लिए. दिस इज़ 4 डिग्रीज ऑफ यू की तरफ से यहाँ में न्यूट्रिशनल बार मिला है. आई गॉट 4 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉफ़ी, बैलेंस एंड काम, कोकोनट एंड कोलाजन. सो यूनिक. For tonight's dinner, I am having corn. One of my favorite things. So I can eat at least like 5 to 6 cobs of corn. So let's eat this. So evening I went out with my mom for some grocery shopping, and as you can see my makeup. Also I uploaded a full makeup of this on my shorts video. So we had to get some grocery. Month almost खत्म हो चुका है, but कुछ important grocery था, so we had to rush to the market. My God, this is so soft and sweet. I think मेरा बटर भी ख़त्म हो गया. I need some pepper. So good. This is my dinner. I can eat, I think I will be eating 4 more. This is 3, that will be 7. Nobody likes corn in my family, only me. I'll be eating a lot. Anyways, coming back to my vision board. So since I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys a few of the things that I want to achieve this year. 5 months is remaining, but 5 महीना के अंदर मुझे ये सब अचीव करना है. This is everything. So first I want to achieve a good body. If you see here, मुझे ना एक बहुत ही slim fit wall body achieve करना. That is my number one goal. And you know, this month August, as I said before, has been like life changing. I have started this month, and yes, I am seeing progress and only progress. Next is I want to monetize on my Instagram and my YouTube. So Instagram, I'm already doing good on Instagram, though I have a very less follower but following, but I am doing pretty good for my following, but I really want to grow. Number is 10k. It's not that big number, but since I am in my 1k era, so I want to touch at least 10k for both YouTube and Instagram. So if you are in Instagram and haven't followed me, please go and follow. And also, what else? So also I want to really talk about health here. So health is like number one wealth above all. So I really want to take care of my health. I always do actually, but this time I want to put more effort towards my health. And yes, that is also my priority. And also मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेस छोड़ा है क्योंकि I'll be writing a very motivational quotes here. Also I want to earn a lot of money. कितना money earn करना है, that is I will share you guys in my coming videos. Not in my coming video, but by the end of this year I'll share for sure. And what else? I don't want to reveal everything right now. It will be revealed slowly and steady. Also I want to hang it right here, just opposite of where I sleep, ताकि जब भी मैं सुबह उठूँ I can directly see my vision board and get motivated and get work and start working for it. So yes, that is what I'm gonna do. So that is it for my mid-year reset video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.